Welcome back, my amazing kindergarten artists. The materials you'll need today are your art project from last week and markers or crayons. All right, boys and girls, it's time to finish up. Welcome back, boys and girls, for part 3 of our Grouchy Ladybug collage. All right, so now I want you to look at your project from last week, and it should be nice and dry. Our pieces are glued down, they're nice and dry, everything's ready to go. And now we're going to add our finishing touches to our ladybugs by using either a black crayon or a black marker. First, we're going to go to the one red circle that is a full circle. So we're going to go to this circle, and we're going to turn this now into a ladybug. What we're going to do is right down the center, first we're going to draw a line right down the center. And now when we add our dots to each side of our ladybug wings, I want you to make sure that we add the same number to both sides. So when something looks the same on both sides, side by side, that's called symmetry. So I'm going to add one dot here. So if I added one dot, I need to make sure I add a dot on the other side in the same spot. Next, I'm going to add a bigger dot. And if I added a bigger dot, and then I'm going to add a smaller dot. If I add a big dot and a small dot here, that means I need to make them match. So let's put the smaller dot right here and the bigger dot right here to make both sides match. I'm going to put one big dot here, one big dot here, a little dot, and let's go ahead and add one dot here and one dot over here. Now we have our wings done for our ladybug. Now we want to add the face. So we're going to draw at the top of the ladybug. You're going to draw and fill in the head to your ladybug, coloring it in. And again, you can use a Sharpie or a black crayon. A black crayon works too. And then let's go ahead and add his little antennas coming out the top. And then let's go ahead and give him or her some little feet on both sides. So if I added 6 legs, let's count them, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, then I need to make sure that I add 6 to the other side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And that is one ladybug done. And now we're going to turn these 2 ladybugs into ladybugs as well. All right, so let's start with the one, just pick whichever one you want to pick. And we're going to start, this ladybug is going to be, looks like he or she is facing the front. So we're going to put the head on the front. So right at the bottom, we're going to add a head, coloring it in. You can draw right over top of your blades of grass. These are going to be on top of them. Once we have the head there, let's add his or her antennas. And because our ladybug is facing this way, we're only seeing one side of our ladybug's wing. So we only need to add dots all over this one. We don't have to worry about doing it on both sides because we can only see one side of our ladybug whenever he or she is facing this way. And let's go ahead and give it some legs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And then let's move down to our last piece, and we're going to make this ladybug look like it's looking right at you. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to draw a half circle at the bottom, color this part in. We're going to add the antennas. And now we're going to draw a line right down the center. And we're going to do the same thing we did here with our two wings where they're the same on both sides, but we're going to do it down here on both sides. So we'll give it one dot on one side, one on the other to make sure it matches. Another dot to match. And we'll do one more in the center to make them match. And now let's go ahead and let's give them some legs. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and we'll say they can only see those two in the front whenever it's looking right at you. All right, so now we've finished our Grouchy Ladybug collage. Hope you had fun. Don't forget to upload your artwork once you're finished. Keep watching to see exactly how to upload your artwork to Canvas. I'm going to show you how you're going to upload your artwork into Canvas for art. When you click your module and you have your assignment, under your assignment, you're going to see an option that says Upload Your Artwork Here. When you see Upload Your Artwork Here, you're going to click it. And up here in the corner, it will say Submit Assignment. You're going to click Submit Assignment. And once you've taken a photograph of your artwork and you're ready to submit it, it's under the File Upload button where it says File, you're going to click Browse. You're going to find your art project. So I'll click this one. Once you have your art project selected, then you're going to hit Submit Assignment. Once you've hit Submit Your Assignment, it should say over here, Submitted. Once it's submitted, that's all you need to do. All right, boys and girls, see you next time. Have a great week.